Hello. This is a guide to using chargers for those who are new to electric vehicles. There are three types of electric vehicle chargers: level 1, level 2, and level 3. The level 1 charger is the most basic charging method and is used by connecting it directly to a home outlet. It is usually used at home or in the office, and its charging speed is relatively slow. It is simple to use. First, connect the electric car to the charger and turn it on to start charging. Level 2 chargers are commonly installed at public charging stations or outside chargers in homes. It charges faster than a level 1 charger, and it can charge a car's battery quickly, usually at 5.5 to 6.6 kW. To instructions, connect the electric car to the charger, and then use the interface on the charger to start charging. Level 3 chargers offer the fastest charging, usually with more than 30 kilowatts of power. They are mainly installed around highways and require professional installation. The level 3 charger can fully charge the battery in a short period of time, about 30 to 40 minutes. For instructions, connect the charger to the car and start charging using the touchscreen or RFID card on the charger. Precautions: there are a few caveats when charging an electric vehicle. First, make sure to check your safety before connecting your charger to an electric car. Also, be careful when handling chargers in cars while charging.
Be careful because it can be slippery, especially when it rains or snows.
Lastly, always turn off the power and disconnect the charger from the car for safety when removing the charger. This was a quick guide to using an electric vehicle charger. I hope you have a safe and enjoyable drive.